Hi guys, this video is a continuation of the namespacing video I did before. If you haven't seen that video, please watch that one first before this one. And also, please take a look at the Atomic CSS video I did, as that one is referenced in this video too. So if you're coming straight from that video, the first namespacing video, this will make sense to you. So this shows the way COM works, having a component inside an object and an object inside a model. And also you can have a component inside a model, and you can have model classes inside objects and so forth, as shown in this image. Now what I want to show you is how you can apply atomic classes to the COM namespacing model. So for this example, in the model footer, you can see that there is another class on the object navigation to have the navigation on the left side of the page, which is model specific. That's why it's in red. Similarly here, on the component logo, there is a model class to put the logo on the left. Now, a class like this might only have one property, so there really isn't a point to have a class just for one property, considering it can be used again. So instead of this, you could have something like that, which are now atomic classes for float right and float left. Now in production, I'm more of a flexbox person as opposed to floats, but that will require more classes, so I've kept it simple with floats. As you can see here, both floats are in red because they are for the model. Without these floats, both component logo and object navigation would be in their original form, which is what they're shown like in the model header at the top. So as you can see here, the atomic classes are so much easier to put in because it can be used wherever on the page. I can have a float left up here if I wanted to, and a float right and a float left up here, and they can be used over and over again on different pages on different sections of the code. But there is a reason why the atomic class is on the left side over here, and then the top over here, and this because everything on the left side shows that it's of the class above, if that makes sense. It's of the parent class. So as you can see here, if this class name had longer rectangle, this float left would be on the left side. Float right will be on the left side of the class list, because it's referencing the model class name up here. And if I wanted this class name in its basic form, I would just get rid of this. Now in actual text editors, there aren't any different color codes for components, objects, and models. So this will all be the same color as here. This will all be the same color. So if I were not familiar with the code, but I wanted this object navigation in its basic form, anything on the left side of the navigation belongs to the parent. So if it's a model, then this belongs to the model. And anything on the right side belongs to this object. So similarly here, anything on the left side here, like margin top 5em, belongs to this object. So if I wanted this C-link in its basic form, I would get rid of everything on the left side and keep everything on the right. Now in this case, there's nothing on the right, but if there was, I'd keep that. So I hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, feel free to put a comment below this video. If it did make sense, then give it a like, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.